making healthy pancakes. 1.5 cup of keto wheat flour. Okay. Good. Teaspoon of salt. This one.
Mm-hmm.
That one. Teaspoons of baking powder. Tablespoons of sugar, tomatoes. Teaspoon of cinnamon. We whisk with your magic whisk. Whisk it good. Side. One cup of milk. I did it. Add 2 eggs. It's gonna turn yellow. Will it turn yellow? Vanilla. Ooh, they got a little. And 3 tablespoons of oil. Green. And we whisk with the magic whisk. Whisk it back. Whisking. Keep on whisking. Ooh, that's a lot. Whisk it. Add the dry ingredients. Ooh. And whisk with the magic whisk. Whisk it good. It's nice and smooth. Is it nice and smooth? Now it's time to cook it. Gonna get all the stuff on a lightly greased pan. Top it with a powdered sugar alternative. Use a fork. Oops, top it with sugar-free syrup. How can I do it? You topped it with syrup. Time to enjoy. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. See you on Tuesday for next Crafty Kitchen.